Hello everyone, Namaskar. I hope you are safe and healthy at home and taking necessary steps to ensure total safety and social distancing. I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt thanks to the team at Whistle Drive for arranging this session. I am here to talk about transport operation and impact of it. Hyderabad, as we all know, one of India's largest IT and process outsourcing hubs. Employee transportation has now become one of the essential services in our day-to-day operation. As I have been told to talk about my prediction on transportation post-COVID, my past experience in the industry, if I relate, the organizations will now more concentrate on safety aspects at the workplace and during the commute. Apart from employee transportation, there are a lot of logistics involved during this time, like moving desktops, laptops to employees' home and bringing them back safely once things resume. It's now essential to do cab hygiene checks after every trip, which will be a critical activity. What I feel the changes during this time, which include one, there will be requirement of more cabs to ensure social distancing. Two, we expect to see masks for drivers and spare masks in the cab. Three, sanitizers in the cab as bare minimum things. Cabs will have to be sanitized after every trip. Hygiene and safety MIS will take maximum time during our governance review meetings. Employees will be continuously informed about the safety measures and expect the same from the service partners. As I am from the service industry, we also provide security and facility workforce at my present organization, Capstone Facility Management. I feel it is essential for me to talk on a service partner's perspective also. First thing first, it is a service. We all should remember it's a service and it takes time to cope up. At the same time, service partners also need to be proactive to provide smooth operation in the very initial days after the lockdown is over. To be compliant, transport service partner will be seeking permission from the government authorities for operating. They also can take the help of the head of facilities from various organizations for obtaining necessary approvals. Last but not the least, cost, which we all be worrying about. This is going to be even more critical as there are additional things to procure like sanitizer, mask, thermometer for temperature check, cab sanitation. So there would be additional cost. So that burden the service partner will be seeking help from the organization to reimburse. Vendors might also expect some minimum payout from the clients during the lockdown to support their workforce. As I am emphasizing on my earlier communication, hope, hope is the most powerful word for the current situation. There are better days coming. Take care, stay home, stay safe and stay strong. Jai Hind. Namaskar.